What's the word, everybody? This is your boy, the Sports Dr. Spot. Mickey coming at you with another hot Mickey. This is your Uncle Mick here, and I really just want to show you guys how you should react while you're in court. Let me put my glasses on so I actually look intelligent and impotent. This is all right. Here's a case out of it says Macomb County or something, but the incident happened in Detroit, so I'm not really sure where. But anyway, I just want to show you guys how you should react to things in court and how you can avoid making it worse for yourselves. So without any further wait, let's check this out.
Gotta be a little bit more covered up than that, all right?
All right, so he's
You
probably
understand me,
already
ma'am?
Yes, sir.
he's probably already a little irritated with the girl because of the way she's dressed. When you go to court, even if it's just a Zoom meeting, you want to dress like you would, preferably for a job interview. Maybe you don't have those type of clothes, but like a tank top, maybe showing skin and all that, that's not necessary in court. And some judges honestly find it kind of disrespectful because they feel like you on your way to the club and you're not taking this court issue serious. This is how judges think. So they already start to judge you sometimes on your appearance. But let's go forward.
All right. What about the deal you said? What was that, Mr. Berry?
Improper plates for one of the insurance charges and limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket.
So it's already improper plates as charged. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
And this is a
Do you
very
swear or
young
affirm to
person,
tell the
so I'm
truth,
not
whole
really
truth,
beating
nothing
up.
but the truth?
Yep.
Is that a yes, ma'am, or
Yes.
or you can put your hand down? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over here. Listen. You're gonna have to stand still.
I was trying to go somewhere quieter. I'm sorry.
All right.
All right, so now he's even a little bit more irritated, but he's even trying to let that go. If you have a Zoom meeting, you pretty much know what time it's going to be. Maybe you should. It looked like she went to the Coney Island, which are little restaurants here in Detroit. Um, they're all different kinds. If you ever been to Vegas and you ever been to like the D and that little, like some of you Vegas folks rave about that little American place that's inside of the D with that sells the chili dogs and stuff. Those are Coney Islands. And it looked like she probably went there for breakfast or lunch or whatever she wanted to eat at the time. But you pretty much want to do that. See, when you go to court, that needs to be your main focus because possibly your money or even worse, your freedom is on the line. So court should be your main focus. You shouldn't have any distractions during that time while you're in court.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking this deal you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Let me draw your attention back to May the 9th, 2025, around 10:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hubble and Eaton. Did you have an occasion
Detroit's
on that
west
day to come
side.
encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yep, I believe so. Yes.
Not whether you believe.
See, that was kind of the problem right there. She said yes, she believes so. A lot of times when you are asked direct questions in court, you should give like a direct answer, and that kind of irritated the judge a little bit too. But maybe she didn't really remember the exact time, so I can give her a pass on that. But she started going through the vehicle she was in. When you're speaking to the judge, that should be your main focus. Because if you were in court and you were talking directly to the judge, you couldn't just wiggle and look for stuff. So you have to treat it as if you were sitting there in front of them, if that makes sense.
You believe so or not?
Yes, I did. Yes.
Don't cut the judge off either.
You operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Am I operating it? No, I'm just sitting in here now.
I said, were you
She's
operating?
distracted. She's doing other things.
Listen, if you don't sit still and pay attention, then you're gonna get put back to the end of the line, okay?
Which means she has
Because
to
I
wait.
didn't understand what you said. I said I'm not
No,
up
because you
there
don't
in the vehicle right
understand what I'm
now.
saying. All right, pass the matter. I'm tired.
See, now he don't even want to talk to her.
All right, let's go back. Let's go to somebody that wants to pay attention and wants to get out of here and wants to really pay attention. Is Darren Graham here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
So I can leave, or I'm just waiting for you to come back.
You're just waiting. You're just waiting.
Some bullshit. This is crazy.
All right. All right. Okay. Now you're coming down to the courthouse. All right. Now I want you to make your way down here now.
See, you didn't already made an enemy of the judge. Sometimes, ladies, I'm talking to you. Sometimes the attitude that you would give me, you can't go out into the world to give like a judge because they're not trying to listen to all that. I mean, they just not. And this is a very young woman. So I'm really just showing this video not at all to beat up on her because she young. She don't really know. Hopefully she's learned from this experience too. But this is for other people that go to court. Make it a little bit easier on yourself. See, now when I've been in court and seen people get a week in jail just for talking shit back to the judge. Like I said before, when you're in court, your main thing that day or in that period, that hour or two block should be that court case, because your driver's license, your money, or your freedom could be on the line. Now she don't have she's not supposed to be operating a motor vehicle, and now he don't even want to see her on Zoom no more. He wants her in the court because he about to try to lock her up, probably, over something that could have just all been avoided. It didn't even have to be like this. They had a plea deal for her. It was all set up. And everything was already fixed right. But so people, when you go to court, and I know a lot of the things the judge, y'all don't understand, y'all feel like it's bullshit, but it's frustrating if you ever speak to a person and they get on the phone, or you're speaking to someone and they're distracted by and doing something else. It's frustrating. Now you're there to handle business. This is a business matter. While that thing is going on, that should be I'm gonna repeat it, that should be the only thing you're focused on. That's it, nothing else. This is your uncle, the Sports Dr. Spock. I had to give some of my younger people a good unk video, and hopefully when you guys go to court, it can be, the outcome could be a little bit better than this. Because I really felt bad for this young woman, because I feel like she didn't know. You know what I'm saying? You think you're just gonna go to court and you're gonna speak to people, or out in the real world you're just gonna speak to people and you go, wait, no. No, everybody ain't trying to hear all that. And a judge definitely ain't trying to listen to all that. Pretty much, if you don't have an attorney and you in court, a judge ain't really trying to hear you. So, we sure let the lawyer argue for you as much as possible because a judge ain't really trying to listen to you. And especially if it's something like small traffic stuff like this. Just try to remain as calm as possible and let whatever's going to happen. It sounded like she was pretty much getting ready to go home at least. But that didn't end up happening for her, and I feel kind of bad. This is your boy, the Sports Dr. Spock. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments in this video. And I am out for now. Peace.